Alrighty, we're down here at Kingwoods.
Hey, what's up?
I brought the Dynamark over here for the little MTF get together, and we're going to do a little bit of cold start on it. She's been sitting, what, 2 days? 2 or 3 days.
Yeah, 3. Remember cut the fuel off.
Yeah, I know. I know I turned it off. In the old smokehouse. Turn the fuel on. That's good. Alright, here you go. And we'll see what happens.
You should. It's a Dynamark.
Well, there she is, all in her bird crap encrusted self. I parked my tractor for here for 3 days, and look at that. Oh well, you can always depend on your 11-horse Briggs now to put it to work.